what's up? I just got a pretty good replay in Clan Wars. Took them out pretty easily. Man, it looks like they'd be hard against my low level troops. But I called in my giants. I called in my heal spell. It was kind of hotly placed. But it did help out those guys. And then I called in my clan troops. And I called in that guy. And they all just wanted to go over there for some reason. But it did kind of help out. And then I called in that and they just went straight to the middle. Destroyed that town hall. And I called another one to keep them going. These guys on here cleaning up all the buildings. I don't know if he does or not. I don't remember. Even though it was only like 5 minutes ago. There he dies. Then there's no more, like, anything that can, no more defenses. So, you just take out everything. And then the barbarian down there. Alright, that's my video. Thank you for watching. Bye.